pretense. I'm finally facing it all. Fearless.
Let's begin.
Hello everyone, I am Vipin Sharma from Zara Technologies. Today I am going to demonstrate project named IoT based air quality monitoring system. In this project we are monitoring some air parameters like temperature, humidity, dust, CO, carbon monoxide level, LPG level. Okay, so these are some parameters. We are using some sensors to monitor this. So these are some sensors. Okay, so I will explain one by one. First of all, I will show you on the board what are the components and how this project is made. First, I am showing block diagram of the project. So we will start with microcontroller. We are using here Arduino Uno. So this is 8-bit microcontroller which can sense these data, and we can use our code to calculate these parameters and display on your LCD, that is 20x4 LCD we are using here, and on web server, that is internet based. Okay, so here first of all I am using LCD. LCD we are using 20x4 means 20 columns are there and 4 rows are there to write the things. Okay, after that we are using some sensors like DHT11. Okay, so this one is measuring your relative humidity, that is the moisture based, and one is absolute humidity. This one is relative humidity, and temperature we are sensing. Temperature can be from 0 to 55 degrees Celsius. Okay, we can use also advanced sensors like DHT11, 22. We are using here 11. Okay, and LM35 also we can use to measure the surrounding temperature. After that we are using CO. MQ7 sensor we are using here, then we are using MQ3 for measuring LPG, and these sensors can measure more values. Okay, I will write in the description what more these sensors can do, and tutorial part you can see in the description box. Okay, and next one is buzzer. We use buzzer. If some parameter exceeds, we can trigger this buzzer. Then we are using Wi-Fi module to send data on web server. We are using here ThinkSpeak.com. You can make account there. In 15 seconds of interval, it updates data there. Okay, and you can use it as a data logger, and after 30 days it will override the previous values. Okay, so this is the basics of this project. IoT based air quality. You can use it in helmet also. IoT air quality helmet. Same way you can make IoT based weather monitoring system, like in that you can have some parameter like BMP 180, like atmospheric pressure you can measure. Then you can have this sensor, rain sensor, okay, and other value of light you can detect, like it's evening, night. Okay, one more thing friends, and I have skipped that dust sensor in the block diagram. Okay, so now let me show you these components, how these are connected and how we have made this project. So let's start with this. First thing is your microcontroller. Okay, 8-bit microcontroller Arduino Uno we are using. Then we are using DHT11. Then we are using MQ135. Then MQ7. Okay, and other sensor also you can use, like I have told you on block diagram. Other sensor also you can use. Then this one is your dust sensor, which can measure like minimum of 0.8 micrometer of dust particle. It can also detect smoke. Okay, and then we are using this thing is your power hub to give power supply to each component. Like every component needs ground and 5 volt, and blue wire is for showing input output, and red for 5 volt, and G for ground, green for ground. Okay, and this one is a Wi-Fi which is sending data to internet. Okay, so first of all I will show you, like I made this project 2 days before, so I will see on internet server it will be written 2 days before last entry, and I will show you how to connect this. Okay, so to connect this, what we have to do, first we have to go to mobile hotspot, or you can create one hotspot from your phone. I am showing it from PC. Okay, I will just turn this on. Okay, and automatically one device should be connected here. Okay, because this project have Wi-Fi and this should connect here. Okay, so for that I will first reset also. Okay, remove power and turn this off. Okay, now let's see. Now let's wait. See exactly so fast how fast this device has connected this. Okay, so now this one is live. Okay, this device is connected to this device, and what we have to do here I will tell you again. So first of all we have to write this project, then password, and it should be 2.4 gigahertz frequency. You cannot use 5 because this is 2.4 gigahertz device. Okay, 5 will not work, remember this. After that, see here it's written now less than a minute, data entry is done. Okay, so these are the graphs like MQ135, dust sensor, humidity, temperature, MQ7. Okay, so these are the parameters. So this is internet based. Okay, these all values can be on internet, and you can also share your like public view, like you can share this charts and use export like on Excel sheet and do some calculation on the values you are getting, real values, real time values. Okay, and after that MATLAB analysis, MATLAB visualization also do you can do. Okay, and now other thing I will show you one widget. This is also very good. So this one is a widget. You can add gauge meter and add here, and like you want to see a dust value, so you can add minimum maximum what it can be. So I am adding like first I will go with this MQ135. so just create it. This will show this gauge meter how much value it's there, and you can also maximize, minimize this accordingly and write all parameters. Okay, so friends, this was your IoT based air quality measuring system. Okay, and thank you so much for watching the complete video. I will add details in the description box. You can buy this project and you can add more sensor in this project, like other parameters also you can add. Okay, like GPS, GSM, location, and other things also, like Wi-Fi, Zigbee based also you can make. Okay, and add so many things accordingly your requirement, according to your requirement. Okay, thank you again, friends. One more thing, friends, you can search Xyra Technologies on Google. You will find our website, and on website you will find so many things about engineering projects like PPT, project reports, documents, codes, tutorials, etc. You can also come here for MTech project, BTech project, PhD project, and you can submit your requirement here to make the project custom project. And in lab also you can come, and in lab you can make project by your own in our guidance in one-day workshop. You can buy project component etc. from online or offline. Both options are available. If you want to make something unique, new, creative, just WhatsApp us on the number given in the description box. And guys, thank you so much for watching the video. You can subscribe to this channel for more project ideas, tutorial videos, DIY videos, etc. Thank you so much.